Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Trendlines Trader. This is Offense speaking, and ladies and gentlemen, today we're going live. We're just gonna take a minute, not a minute actually, maybe an hour, going through the charts. Since it's is it the opening? Yes. Since we are on the opening session of the New York, and we can see that our DXY, let's go to NASDAQ. We are here for the NASDAQ going, there we go, we pushing higher and higher. Ladies and gentlemen, in a few minutes ago I was trying to go live and I really witnessed problems with my settings, so I hope this time everything is going accordingly. We can see that our chart is pushing towards the upside, our price is pushing towards the upside. We are on 30 minutes time frame. I hope we just have to, at the moment I can say, don't jump to the market yet, because you will find this big banks, money traders, what do you call the institutional traders, they might be fooling us. They might pushing the price towards the upside, then from there everything changes. You know what you can do at the moment? You just have to look at your CNBC app. Just check on your CNBC app and check if your things are going the way you planned them. Let me reset the charts so that I can be able to see where is this now. So ladies and gentlemen, on 30 minutes we can see that our price is pushing towards the upside. What you can do at the moment, don't want you to jump now, just wait. The price is gonna make a U-turn. Maybe it's gonna respect this area over here. Don't want to see you guys regretting. Okay, when I check my CNBC app, it tells me stocks are making the biggest moves per pre-market. Okay, this is the pre-market. Let me try to see the news after the opening market session. Look at that bullish candle. It's gonna push, but I want to see if they are giving us a fake. Actually we can see Tesla is pushing very high numbers. It's at 10.21%. that's positive 10.121%. and when we look at our Apple is at positive 1.75%, and Amazon is at what is this? Come on, Amazon is at positive 1.4, okay, 53%. Wow, Tesla is pushing this price. It's at 10.52, and you can see Amazon is also at 1.56, Microsoft at 1.9, and when you look at our Google, Alphabet Class A is at positive 1.22. It seems like we're gonna have a very bullish day. What we can do, let's just wait for the price to break this area, or let's wait to witness what you call this, rejection candle. Excuse me. No, I'm a bit tired. You know what we can do at the moment? Let me remove this, man. Let me just remove these. This is necessary now, since we can see that our price is respecting the area for now. But one thing that I want you to be aware of, If the price doesn't break this area right here, we're gonna have to wait for the rejection candle like this, as you can see there. If we're gonna have those rejection candles, those rejection pattern, we're gonna say now we are pushing towards the downside. But as I have seen on the CNBC, our companies are doing very well at the moment. Our companies are very high. I can look out for breaking. If this price is gonna break this area, you're gonna just have to wait for that retest after the breakout, and we're gonna push towards the upside. But one thing that we need to be aware of again is this. Let's go back to our chart. This is 30 minutes time frame. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. There is a point where I want you guys to see. This looks more like a W. And usually W's, this type of candlesticks, this type of patterns, they always give us a bullish trend. But anyway, let's not focus on it. We just have to wait and see if this candlestick is gonna close. You can see there's a, let's go to the 15-minute time frame and be able to see something. This is our 15-minute time frame, and we are just left with few minutes, 5 minutes actually, for the candle to close. But I'm telling you, we are having a very bullish momentum at the moment. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. We have a rejection there. For this price, for this candle to close, we are only left with few seconds, 30 seconds for this candle to close. After it closes, we might see the price giving us a what you call consolidation. The price might consolidate around this area there before we witness a breakout, or we might not even witness a breakout. We might even have a pullback. The price might be rejected and pushed towards the downside. But one thing that oh man, my body's so okay, excuse me. My body's so so one thing that we just have to be aware of is, you can see we have a little bit of rejection there. The price is losing momentum. I hope we're gonna have something big coming. That's a rejection. That's the rejection right there. We can just say our price will push towards the downside, but remember, we might have a consolidation, and that consolidation is gonna give us something like a flag. Let me use this. This is what I want you guys to expect today. I'm gonna leave it here. Yeah, let me do it like this. Yeah, so I'm gonna use the template. This is a flag for me in 5-minute time frame. Remember, we have to check with other time frames. On the 15-minute time frame, we're gonna have a consolidation right here, and if the price breaks on top of a flag, we're gonna have a continuation. But when you go to the 5-minute time frame, you can see the consolidation is building up now. You can see that the consolidation is about to build up. The flag is forming. We just have to wait and see. Yes, the price, they are pushing the price very high. Let's see what is happening in the new Tesla. Oops, look at that. Look at this. But this space will be filled up in during the week or next week. Just a minute, ladies and gentlemen. I just want to check out something right here now. Let's go back to our NASDAQ and see if that flag is forming. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back. Okay, let's see if the flag is forming. Let's check other instruments. Gold. Reset the chart. Let's go to 4 hourly and see where is gold. I was hoping to see gold respecting the area. Seems like it's broken. It still have to respect this horizontal resistance, horizontal support. At the moment it's a support, so we just have to see if it respect the horizontal support. If it breaks here, gonna have a retest and push towards the downside. But at the moment gold is good. Let's go to 1 hour time frame of gold and see if it breaks. Is it broken? It's still around the area, just have to wait and see. But you can see the resistance trend line. It seems like it's been respected. Let's go to candlesticks. You see it's respecting this line. Actually gold broke this area. The support is broken. It's a retest. I guess we're gonna see gold pushing towards the downside from here. This is what we will have to witness with gold. Okay, let's go to NASDAQ100 and see if the flag is about to 5-minute time frame. Excuse me, a reset. The flag is forming. The consolidation I was talking about is forming. Now this will tell us if this area is being respected. Seems like the consolidation is forming. If it breaks down below, it means the area is not we won't see the flag, but you can see the price is struggling to break out even below. All right. We are just 45 minutes away from the opening session, and now the flag is forming. We are about to witness the continuation. Let's just wait and see. We just have to witness it break out of that area, whether it will, but usually the flag breaks from the top. Let me move this a little bit towards this area right here, or I can do it like this, center, yeah, so that you can remember that it's a flag. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button down below so that you can be notified every time I upload a video or whenever I go live. This is Trendlines Trader YouTube channel where we do daily analysis, and from now on I want to be consistent with this live videos. I want to do more live videos from now on. Oh, there is our price is breaking just below. It seems like we're not having the flag. It says to us this is okay, it's going back in. We just have to wait and see where the candlestick closes. If it closes inside, the flag is still the flag, but if it closes outside, clearly says we are not having the flag. I hope you guys like the analysis that I'm giving you, the patterns that I'm giving you. Remember, this is what was happening right here. This is what we have to witness. This is a trend. Okay, let me remove this so that we have a clean, so that we end up having a clean chart. Let's check the line. All right here we just have to have, man, it was not supposed to happen here. I wanted to clone. We're gonna have to do it like this for us to remember it's a zone. Candle, yes. So what do we have to witness here? The price it still have to retest, I guess, but when it forms a flag, it clearly says we're not gonna retest, we're just gonna push straight. But if it breaks here, it has to come and retest this level, as it just broke out of the previous bullish trend. So at the moment we have in this consolidation. Let's check the 15-minute time frame. In a minute time frame, we are having a rejection, but one thing for sure, if this is a rejection or a flag, you can see here we had a flag yesterday. Was it yesterday? The 20th is 20th April. We had a flag almost the same time as there we go. If it breaks above the mark there, we're gonna witness our price pushing towards the upside. But one thing for sure, this looks more like a W, bruh. It clearly says we might witness the price pushing towards the upside. Just a minute, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be back just in a minute. Okay, all right, ladies and gentlemen, I am back. I hope I didn't take I hope I didn't take too long. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, let's look at our price. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. I want us to witness if it breaks or if it doesn't break. You know what will happen if the price breaks above this flag sign that I placed there? We're gonna witness the continuation, and if it doesn't, if it breaks below, we will have to wait for it to retest, and if it doesn't respect the retest or this resistance, previous resistance, we're gonna see our price breaking towards the downside. But one thing for sure, we just have to look out where it breaks around here. Let's wait and see where it breaks. Okay, at the moment I'm looking at our CNBC app. I'm looking at my CNBC app. It seems like the price is gonna hold. Okay, there was a retest. There is a retest. Meta Platform Incorporation is a little bit lower, and it says, which is Facebook, your Meta, your Facebook actually, it's pushing towards the downside. But it seems like our Netflix is also a little bit lower today, but we just have to wait and see, because it seems like Tesla, Apple, Amazon, and Google, okay, and Microsoft, including Microsoft, are pushing towards the upside. They are holding the price where it is at the moment. But one thing that I want you to know is Netflix is at minus 3.55%. okay, now 0.48%, minus 3.48%. They are prices, those are companies that okay, seems like it's pushing up. Those are the prices that giving us this type of signal that it's about to retest. One thing for sure, we just have to place our buying stops right here on top of this, so that when it breaks, this area will be broken. At the moment we're just having a retest. We will witness the price pushing towards the upside before it breaks this overall resistance, previous resistance, and we will be bullish. At the moment on the 15 time frame, we are having a retest. After the retest, we will be waiting for the push. 15 minutes time frame, we are left with 3 minutes. So with this 3 minutes right here, we are waiting for the price to close. Just waiting for the price, for the candle to close. The candle is retesting, seems like it's respecting this area. Let's just wait and see if it does. After it closes, whether it closes above this diagonal resistance, previous resistance, or below, then we will be able to say no, this is no longer a retest, we are bearish. But one thing I can tell you, Tesla is still sitting at 10.42% for it to hold the price where it is. Okay, it seems like we're not respecting. Let's just wait and see. 2 minutes 40 seconds left for the candle to close, and it's just 3 minutes before 10 a.m. USA time frame, New York time frame, and 3 minutes just before 4 p.m. South African time frame. Okay, it seems like our price is playing around the area. Seems like the price is playing around the area. Let's just wait and see if it will. Okay, seems like it's not respecting the area. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame and see. Now we are just touching your 21. What is this? This is 21. Yeah, 21 EMA exponential. Let's look at the line time frame. It might make the U10 or it might close just above, but let's wait and see. Remember, there is this area right here. Look at this. Let's go to a 15-minute time frame. Want you to see something again. You get the previous area right there. It seems like it's broken. This area right here. Line chart will show you things that you won't believe. You can see now it's about to break in. If it continues to break in, it clearly says no, we are no longer pushing towards the upside. It clearly says that area is respected. Excuse me. Clearly says that the area is respected. So let's see where is the candlestick close. Where is the candlesticks about to close? Just have to wait and see. Okay, it's about to make a U10. New candlestick just open. Let's see if this candlestick closes around here. It will be our retest. It seems like it's our retest. Okay, no, the price is broken. Yeah, that candlestick just retested. Now we are pushing towards the downside, towards this level right here. Let me place this. Look at the time frame. Yeah, that level is broken. The price is gonna push towards this area. If it still respect, I think it might make a U10. Let's check the news. There was on the video I made before this live, there was news happening around. Let me do this. We had news around 2:30, and now we're gonna have news around 5 p.m. where Jerome Powell speaks. Fed Jerome Powell will be taking a stand and speak. Let's see, where is that? Yeah, the price is not making any pullback anytime soon. It seems like it. Let me check my CNBC and reset. One thing I can tell you, this is a pullback. The price is no longer respecting this setup. Let me remove it. This is a retest, bruh. One thing I can tell you, this is a retest. We might see the price pushing towards the upside again. We just have to wait and see. Let's wait and see. You see, it's giving us a retest. It's giving us a retest at that level. It's a retest. It's like the price broke this previous diagonal resistance, and now it's giving us the retest before it pushes to us up. Towards the downside. You can see it's giving us the retest because excuse me, in 5-minute time frame, this price is retesting this area to confirm that it's about to push towards the downside. If we look at the seconds that are left for the candlestick to close, there we go, 23, 20 seconds, 15 seconds left for the candlestick to close, for the candle to close. Then from there we will be pushing towards the downside, I guess. I want to see what is happening in the news at the moment. Fed Chair Powell will be taking the stand at about 54 minutes from now. Alright, let me remove this. You can see the price is pushing towards the downside. Let's go to 4-hourly time frame and look at our price at 4-hourly time frame. A reset. Let's see what is happening. Okay, in 4-hourly time frame, this is giving us a rejection. So it clearly says the price respecting this area. We just have to witness our price pushing towards the downside. It gave us a long week, and I have to delete this so that a long rejection candle. So it seems like ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget when you are using trading view, this is what we're going to have. This is the type of chart you're having. If you want to use the same chart as mine, I'm using NAS100 USD from Oanda, the broker Oanda. There are other US100 NASDAQ charts from currency.com. The candlesticks are very different. The chart is very different. I don't know, the candlesticks are not the same, but as if you want to use something similar to mine, just look for Oanda, because Oanda, it says the real time. It's almost real time, and this currency.com is a little bit behind. I don't know, the candlesticks are different from Oanda. So even if you go to MetaTrader, you can witness that they are differ. You can see that they differ. Yeah, so we just witnessed our candle our price moving towards the downside. Look at on 1 hour time frame. You can see this area was respected. It gave us a fake break. Now we're going to reach. I hope you placed yourselves. Let's go to 5 minute time frame. This is where